Here I've got General Mobile GM5+D, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all apps, just swipe up to do it, and then go to the settings. Now find and pick display, open advanced options, scroll down a bit, and here you will notice font size, so just click on it. And now simply by tapping on this scale, you can change the size of your font. So as you can see, here is the solution. This is how it will look like. So let me pick, for example, this one, the large one. And as you can see, everything is way bigger. You can also change the display size. So just click on display size. And now you can pick the large, huge, or the small one. As you can see here, you can see how it will look on your device. So let me pick, for example, this one, and if we will go back, you can see that it is way bigger than previously. So let's change it to default by going back to the settings, then display, advanced, display size. Let me pick default, and also here default. So that's it. This is how you change the font size and also the display size. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.